896 cubic millimeters to cubic inches. I'm going to use these two conversion factors because, for example, you do not have direct conversion factor from cubic millimeters to cubic inches, and let's say these two are given. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to convert cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters, and after that cubic centimeters I'm going to convert to cubic inches. So let's take a look. We have 896 cubic millimeters. I have to convert this to cubic centimeters first. I have 1000 cubic millimeters. 14 tons to pounds. 1 ton is equal to 2000 pounds. I'm going to use this conversion rate. I have 14 tons and I want to convert this to pounds. So if I want to eliminate tons, I have to make sure that I'm going to have tons in the denominator. So if 1 ton is equal 2000 pounds. Ton and ton will cancel out, and I'm going to have 14 times 2000 pounds, which is equal 2.8 times 10 to the 4 pounds. And this is the solution to my problem.